To access your Spectrum Router admin page, first locate your router's IP address. It's usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, but newer models might use 10.0.0.1. Check the sticker on your router or Spectrum's support page for your specific model. Look at the back of your router for the sticker that shows your specific IP address, Wi-Fi network names, and default login information. Next, open a web browser on a device connected to your Spectrum network, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Type the IP address into the address bar and hit Enter. This will bring you to the login page. The default username is typically admin, and the default password is often password, admin, or a unique password printed on the router label, like Spectrum123. Be sure to change these default credentials immediately for security to protect your network. Once logged in, immediately change the default username and password to something strong and unique. Spectrum routers often use firmware versions 2.5.x or higher, with updates that include mandatory two-factor authentication for admin access on new activations. Enable your firewall for enhanced security. Consider using the My Spectrum app for easier management, as 65% of users prefer app-based controls. Be aware of potential security threats. Routers are a common entry point for network breaches, so keep your firmware updated. If you have an older router from before 2020, consider upgrading, as support will be phased out by 2028. For any issues, contact Spectrum support directly at 1-833-267-6094.